Now, emailing is just amazing. Okay, I'm producing this February in 2025, and I've been emailing since, I guess, America Online in the 90s. And who knew that 30, 40 years after the fact, they'd be just as effective as, I guess, a text or any of the social media platforms. It's amazing with WhatsApp, God, TikTok to Facebook, Instagram. It's just mind blowing how advanced and how easy and how cheap you can communicate with this whole intranet thing. And of course, the Pop-Tart shaped electronic device called the cell phone. So thank you, smartphone. Is it Steve Jobby? All right, of good old Apple. All right, what a cool dude, man. Rest in peace, Steve. Anyway, I love emailing. I right now, with multiple accounts, I'm going to show you, I send out well over 150 some odd thousand emails every 24 hours. I write an email, I put a subject in a little box like, hey, open this, copy and paste the email, and I send it. And this company goes ahead and sends out nice and organically all the emails. Okay. They handle spam issues, compliance issues. If there's a dead email that just, I don't know, they deleted it for whatever reasons, it'll just bounce. They'll get rid of it. All I do is worry about putting a fun email in that I proofread, make sure it works. Put in a fun little subject. It's got to be interesting. Otherwise, people won't open the email, and then send. Okay. I love this company so much. And one reason why is because it works. But number two is it's cheap. It's $1 a day, $30. Okay. I have 7 accounts with this company because I have 7 online businesses. So what I do is one account for one business. So one email will be for company A, and the second account I just open up real quick, and boom, I put an email regarding that company, and so on and so on. Okay, you can join this company as many times as you want. You just have to have a different email address for each one. You can use the same credit card, debit card, whatever. Okay, and I'll show you. Now, let me shrink myself down. Okay, I'm over here on the bottom right, as you can probably see. Okay, I want you to go to orderleadstoday.com. So orderleadstoday.com. You're going to go to this page, and please watch this YouTube video. It's well done. It shows you in extreme detail what I do. If you like what you see and you got $30 a day or $1 a day, $1 a day or $30 a month, go ahead and just click that Join MLGS now, and just get a username, get out your credit card or however you want to pay, and let's get you locked in. Okay. Now, when you sign in, it's going to look exactly like this: My Lead Gen. Okay, you're going to see MLGS. Okay, that's kind of how we abbreviate. But anyway, no one's ever going to see the name of this. This is just the company that's going to do the emailing for you. Now, when you log in, go through My Leads, because you're going to see people's names, their addresses, where they live, what city. All right, but the email address is so important. Okay, there's email swipes you can buy. Mailing system I'm going to show you in just a sec, but statistics, you can see how many emails are opened. And if you have a link inside the email, how many emails were opened inside your email. Okay, affiliates. All right, this is awesome. You can go ahead and earn money. All right, you can earn cash with this opportunity. What I do at the bottom of every email I send, I have a link to this opportunity. And if people want to look in, to getting leads, 1 to 200 leads a day for their business, awesome. Why not make some money? This company earns me about $2,500 cash a month, and they give me 1 to 200 leads a day times 7. Okay, so that's why I'm a big, big fan of this company. Okay, just go through these tabs real quick, but I want to show you what I do. Okay, mailing system. Okay, it's going to take you to the mailing system page, which you're looking at now. First thing I want you to do, if you're new, is click here to watch training video. It's going to show you exactly how to make an email and send it. And it's going to show you how to make a fancy email if you want to include like pictures and make your email look like a masterpiece. My best emails are just like 10 words. Open this. Let me know what you think. Bye. So, okay, now watch this. Do you see right here it says select all? Look at that. I hit select all, and look how it transferred 103,000 500 email leads. Now today is February 13th of 2025. So you see that I got 200 leads. They're all in the queue ready to go. Every single email that I have in this system, 103,500, are ready to go. What I do is I write a subject, and then I scroll down, say hello to the owner. Watch his video. He says hello to you. And then this box right here, read what it says. But when you do this every day like I do, you don't need to read it every day. What I eventually do is I highlight it and I just delete it, because in this little box is where you're going to make your email. Okay? Now, I have so many emails. I've been doing this for a year and a half. If I want to use the same email, and I go through my statistics and see which ones work the best, if I do a drop down, do you see all these little subjects here? These are all emails that I've written over the last year or two. Okay? All right, let's just say I like the one that says time is ticking. Okay, now, see where it says it's saved? If I hit the load button, see where it says load? See where it says time is ticking? Okay, now, if I send this email out to 103,500 people, time is ticking. They're going to read that and go, well, time for what? I like to have my subjects not tell exactly what I'm emailing them about, but I need it to be interesting enough to open it up. Now, look, see the email? It's already written, and I know it already works. Okay, please stop what you're doing. This says the Super Bowl starts in 90 minutes. So I obviously sent this last Sunday, okay, during the Super Bowl when the Eagles beat the crap out of the Kansas City Chiefs. But yeah, this email works. And if I want to send it, but obviously switch it so it doesn't talk about the Super Bowl, maybe I'll say, hey, this weekend, I hope you have some nice plans. Okay. Now, do you see where it says 2 hours and 19 minutes? I have to wait 2 hours and 19 minutes, and this goes away. And then a send button right here appears. So in a couple hours, I can go ahead and send another 103,500 emails if I want, just by clicking the start button. And see the perfect timing? If I click that with a little check mark in the box, each email before it's sent, this software can tell when is the most popular time each person opens up their email. So if someone opens it up, let's say at 6 at night, because they get off work, they sit back, and maybe they just go through their email. This company, this software, will send an email right around the same time that they frequent their email list when they open it up, because there's memory, there's total technology. So I go ahead and just put perfect timing. Why not? Why not be at the very top of their list when they open up the email? All right, it's free. It doesn't cost me nothing. So I put the email in the box. I hit perfect timing. I wait for this 2-hour clock to be 000. Okay, then you're going to have a little send button. It'll also say preview. So it'll pop this email out on a separate screen to make sure you like it so that it looks good on your cell phone or a home computer. Make sure your tabs work too. See where it says watch this now? You want to click that to make sure it goes to your opportunity. Okay? And like I said, you can make a real fancy email, by using all these little menus here. But when you first log in, go through all the menus, but when you hit the mailing system, please watch this a few times. All right? Our buddy Kevin shows us really well how to make an email. And like I said, I have more success, less is more. You saw my emails. You can read my email in about 15 seconds. Okay? So repeat. Mail by date, hit that little blue button, hit select all. 103,500 emails are going to go out in a couple hours. I always send from Cory Draper because no one knows who my lead gen is. So I always hit this little blue button. I want people to know it's from me. Okay, I loaded up, time is ticking. And guys, if you want to join this opportunity, do you see all these emails I have? I have about 150 saved right here. I'll send you every one for free, including the subjects. Okay, that way if you've never written an email, I've got a whole bunch for free I'll give you. Okay, I'll only send you emails that work. Okay, because watching this video, why not? All right, it's enough. If you join this opportunity, I make a couple bucks, and thanks, by the way. But remember, it's only $30 a month. It's $1 a day. All right, but isn't it awesome? And how I make money is I just invite people to this exact page, and you can do the same thing. You can just see that my code is 42194. You're going to have your own. So if you go ahead and use that exact link, and when you join, you're going to have your own 5-digit code. Guys, invite everyone to this exact page. People watch the video, and if they join, all right, isn't it nice that you're earning cash And instead of 100 emails a day, you get 200. All right. That's how I've been able to do so well just by getting cash. This company alone, minus the emails, pay me enough cash to pay for this building, the light, the air conditioning, my cell phone bill, my food. I always have drinks. I seem to drink and eat every single day since the 60s. Even my car, my gas to get here. All right. Just with the cash I make with this company. Okay. And that does not include the hundreds of thousands of email leads that they give me. All right. So if you're new, trying to earn money online, everyone I know just can't wait to join this opportunity because number one, it's only $1 a day, $30 a month. And a lot of people are shy. They're not going to do a video like this. They don't really have the skills, they think, to go on social media yet, but they don't mind making an email, making sure the link goes to the opportunity, and then click send. And then for a day, just go, this is awesome. This company, this opportunity you're looking at, My Lead Gen Secret, does everything. Everything. Just get good at every day, getting ready. Only takes a couple minutes. You can use the emails I can send you if you want. Just get a hold of me, Cory at CoryDraper.com. And I'll go ahead and just send you an email attached with all the emails and all the subjects. And you can just copy and paste mine. Just change your name and change the link. All right, or only use 10% of the email, or you can copy it. Okay, they work. I've had really good success. I'm not going to send you an email that doesn't work. Okay, and then you'll slowly but surely get your own style of how you like to email and how you want them to look. But in my experience, over the last year and a half, and I've sent out millions of emails at this point, the easier and simpler your email is, the better. Because if you're emailing someone to click something to watch a video about your opportunity, they don't want to read for 10 minutes about your opportunity and then go watch a video about another 10 or 20 minutes about your opportunity. It's kind of like, well, yeah. Reading was pretty popular in the 90s, 2000s, maybe even 2010, or could be even 2022, but I don't know. It's 2025, and you got to admit, everybody loves video. They just want to watch video. They don't even want to talk or text or nothing. Watch a video, set up, do. If you want to look into this opportunity, watch the video. And if you don't want to do it, you just delete it and go on your way. But if you want to set things up, just go ahead and sign up. Get a hold of me and say, hey, Cory, can you look? Because if you sign up for this opportunity, I can see your name. And just give, well, I'll have your email address. If you don't mind, I'll just look it up, the one that you put when you join, and I can email you the 150 some odd emails and the 150 subject lines. Okay. All right. High five, guys. Thank you for your time. All right. And just to go over this opportunity, just remember you go to order. And I don't know. I guess I should put something on my screen. You can kind of pop it up, but it's just order leads with an S, orderleadstoday.com. Okay. Pretty simple. And I'll put the link below this video. That way you just click it. And if you want to join, awesome. Okay. But nonetheless, thanks for your time, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I hope you do this. This is an amazing opportunity for you, especially if you're new to this business. All right. Getting email leads to you. Oh, man, that's a good feeling. Okay. All right. Have a good day. And I should have some videos popping up on my head if you're on my YouTube channel. Take care, guys. Thanks for subscribing. And thanks again for your time. Take care. Bye.